We proudly present you PMA Cable Protection in RobotStudio, available now. This solution provides comprehensive protection for cables, which is crucial to ensure the smooth operation of automation applications. Using PMA Cable Protection in RobotStudio allows you to simulate how the cable package will behave in reality. You can test and evaluate various combinations before they are finally implemented. Additionally, it guarantees the use of the appropriate components, leading to straightforward system development that relies on reliable products to reduce downtime. Let's explore RobotStudio's possibilities with the integrated PMA cable protection to ensure the optimal products are always used. Downtime can be expensive. According to studies, they can increase production costs by up to 20%. The right cable protection solution protects against mechanical damage, abrasion, and environmental influences, ensuring that production of work and goods can continue smoothly. The simulation of systems and the creation of a digital twin can positively influence the planning accuracy and speed of developments. ABB's RobotStudio is a specially developed software that addresses these issues. It enables engineers and technicians to create a virtual environment to test and optimize processes. Discover ABB's PMA cable protection solutions for automation and visit www.pma.ch.